Hi, this is Anushka. I'm 20 years old. Actually, I attended this gym from 1 week. Like from past 1 week, I was attending this gym. So my mom insisted me to join this. So what I felt was today, like in this session, is like we get a lot of wrong information on YouTube, and we don't have enough time to explore what is right, what is wrong. But here we get the right information because we do a lot of things assuming it's right when it is not. So I feel this right information gave me like why we have to do. A lot of people go to gym, they do things, but we never give time to relax our muscles so that we can do it in the long term. And because of that, we get up getting injured rather than being healthy. We injure ourselves. So I feel this session is very important, and this helped me to learn where and all I had stiffness, so that I can do it better on Saturdays and Sundays. I can work on this, so my overall routine becomes much more better. I always have a lower back pain. I'm just 20 years old and I have a lot of back pain. After doing this session, all that reduced. Even now I can feel a relief and all. So I really recommend this session. It's very good.